Hi there, this is a video tutorial on how to use my mood tracker. So if there are certain reasons you need to track your mood for the week, this is a wonderful spreadsheet tool to use. So let's get started. Here at the top, you have to choose the month. So just choose the drop down and you can choose the month. As you change the month, the date will change on the left. So your Wednesday will be the and this is the year 2023. So if you're checking the calendar, that will change. And so this here at the top will show you your average mood. So if you've put your scale in and you've rated your mood for the week and it averages out that your average mood for the month is an 8.3 for what but boxes that I've checked. Here at the top, this will show you your average mood rating scale. So you can put your mouse over each one of the days and it will tell you that your average mood is, relatively 7 and 8. Okay, so here is your rating scale. So you've got 1 to 10 for morning, 1 to 10 for midday, and 1 to 10 for evening. So say we're starting on the first. We're going to uncheck this. And we're starting at a daily average of 0. So 1 to 10. So I'm going to choose in the morning, I'm waking up, I'm just feeling horrible. And so it shows that my daily average is a 0.7. By midday, it's getting a little better and I'm a 4. And then by the evening, everything's wearing off the yuckiness and I'm back to a 5. So this is averaging my daily for a 3.7. And then I could make notes here. You can double click in here and then you can write, I'm exhausted, whatever you're feeling. Okay, so let's try this for the date. This is the 2nd on the Thursday. So we're going to uncheck all of these here, starting at a 0. And you can just delete that here. And then we're going to do a rating scale. I'm feeling so much better. I slept well. I'm at a 7 when I woke up. And then midday, back down to a 6. And then the evening, I'm feeling super awesome. I'm a 10. Average of a 7.7. And then it shows your weekly average is a 7.9. And then so, notes, I feel happy, energized, whatever you want to put. That's you can do this for your mood tracker. This will average everything for the entire month. And then here at the bottom you've got a daily average and then also weekly average. So that is how to use your mood tracker. I hope this helps you. Again, you can change your months around and customize it however you want. So just make sure that when you're checking it off, if you do more than one, it'll kind of mess up the averages. So just only check one of the boxes per group. All right, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. If you found me on YouTube, click on the link in the description below and to purchase this item. Thanks and have a good one.